Hello, this is Jeremiah with Bull Ridge Plumbing. We're at 6901 Manhattan doing a sewer video here from the roof. Nice cold winter day. We're at about 117 feet to the city tap. Right now, currently, we are in SDR piping. We'll go ahead and pull back and see what we got here. This line appears to be 6-inch. Right here we have a slight separation where the SDR and the clay meet at about 106 feet. No concern with that connection though. This part of the clay sewer line looks really good. Right here we got a little root intrusion on this joint. Nothing too major, probably nothing we can clean up with our machine, but definitely going to recommend a root X to try to get rid of that little remaining. Here we start a little bit of water. As you can see, we've got some root buildup a little more severe here at 93 feet. Again, another spot of roots here at 80 feet. This one, the gasket between the connection is hanging down there at the top. It's kind of squished out a little bit. Since it's on the top side, it's not really a concern. More roots again at this section, here at 76 feet. Because of all these roots, obviously I am going to recommend that we do a sewer clear. Along with that root X to get these smaller ones like this section here, where the machine's not really going to get rid of those, but the chemical will. Root X is a foaming herbicide that is a two-part compound that goes in and foams up to get every edge of the pipe system. Here I had an awful hard time getting through with the camera. I almost gave up on it. As you can see, I poked just a little hole with the camera through there. This is a really bad blockage here. A lot of buildup here. This line, being that it is a 6-inch line, when that did block up with the amount of water that this line would hold, it's very likely that the people inside didn't even realize it was going on because they weren't having enough water usage to fill the entire pipe. But definitely need to get in there and clear that. Here you can see a lot more debris coming this way on the bottom side. That's just what was left over from all this backup that's been going on for a while. Right here at 57 feet is when we transition to the cast iron. This is a 4-inch line here. This cast iron is in good shape, not real scaly, but I am going to recommend a descale because of right here where we're getting into at 50 feet. There's a lot of what I believe to be just construction debris like drywall, mud, paint, things like that that have been put down the drain. It's all settled in the bottom of the pipe here, so we'll get in there with our chain knocker and clean all that out and rinse it thoroughly to get that nice and smooth again without the buildup in the bottom. As you can see, it kind of gets high here, maybe an inch or so of just debris in the bottom. Other than that, this line is in pretty good shape. It's great for its condition. Tree roots are a common problem, and with maintenance, it can be kept up on and taken care of. Here we transition to plastic at about 23 feet. A few fittings there. And then we make our ascent up the roof. Here we transition to the original copper at 14 feet down from the stack. camera cleaned off here. Here is our roof access that we went through. Out here's the front street area. And back behind us we've got the alleyway. Thank you. This has been a Bull Ridge production.